Hello, I'm Nova, an avatar at LeapGreat. Today I'll share a success story about how a modern approach to SAP ERP transformation reduced risk, time, and cost. The customer, a fast-growing medical systems manufacturer specialized in manufacture-to-order and engineer-to-order processes, producing MRI devices and multi-purpose operating and diagnostic rooms. Their transformation journey was featured on an episode of SAP TV. We asked the EVP of Operations why they chose SAP and our modern transformation approach. Here's what he shared on SAP TV.
Because of its unique characteristic of a predefined package for many well-determined and established business processes based upon a lot of experience that SAP has had with many other industries and many other companies. So we were looking for the advantage of best practices and learnings from others, and we needed to implement it rapidly to accommodate our growth circumstances.
Instead of a traditional lengthy blueprinting process, our team took a more modern approach, understanding the customer's business and gathering data scope so that we could front-load their project by creating an initial working system based on SAP best practices right at the start of the project. The head of the project laid out the scope of the project and the results.
The thing that's really unique about this implementation and what really makes it stand out in my mind is that we implemented finance, logistics, sales, project systems, procurement, all in 5 weeks with a 7-man team. That's unheard of.
To achieve these results, our team conducted fit-to-standard workshops, working process by process (LEV) with the customer's initial working system. This early visibility allowed the customer to vet the processes and define refinements, which were then rapidly configured. We asked the CFO what unique things stood out to him about this process.
We have a truly integrated solution and program management capability. This was beyond our expectations when we first looked at the solution in terms of what we thought we would get.
Focusing on their business processes using a live working system from day one allowed the customer to rapidly adopt many best practices and refine others that provided unique capabilities that matched their critical differentiators. We asked the veteran CEO if he believed this approach would work as advertised, and he bluntly said,
"No, I'm actually shocked. I've done this a few times. We've implemented ERP systems in other organizations that I worked in. They generally took years. Generally to very few people's satisfaction. I was shocked. I really am. It was quite an experience."
This is one of many SAP transformations where LeapGreat's expert team has delivered faster timelines, lower costs, and significantly reduced project risk through a modern automated approach. Planning your S/4HANA implementation? Let LeapGreat streamline the process. Contact us today to learn how we can de-risk your next ERP transformation. Visit our website or connect with our team to get started.